Hi, I'm Margaret, and welcome to Garden School. This week, somebody gave me some seeds of catgrass. Now, catgrass is a mixture of wheat, oats, rye, and barley. It's organic seed. And I thought, maybe I should try to grow some catgrass for my kitty, even though he's partially an outdoor cat. But I do know some others that have indoor cats, and they seem to like to nibble on some of their houseplants, which is really dangerous because many houseplants are quite toxic to pets. So just a warning there. Check with your nursery, check with your vet, or do some research to find out if your houseplants need to be kept away from your kitty or vice versa. Well, let's talk about the seeds. So I was really fascinated to find the catgrass seeds and that my friend gave me, and I'm going to plant some so that I can share that. Now I'll tell you what I've done. So I soaked some of the seeds overnight. Give the seed coats a little opportunity to start to soften. And then I have some containers here just filled with some potting soil that I'm going to sow the seeds about roughly about a 1/4 inch apart if I can do that. And then I'll cover it with a 1/2 inch of soil. So I've watered them in, and now I'm going to cover these over with some plastic wrap that I have. And I'm just going to do that to keep the soil and the seeds moist during the germination time. I am going to be placing these in a little greenhouse outside, but if you wanted to start them inside and have them germinate inside, you should put them in a sunny south-facing window where they're going to get a lot of light, and that will help the germination. There they are, and we'll just keep kind of an eye on what our temperature is doing so that it doesn't get too hot in that little greenhouse on these early spring days when it does get nice and sunny. Well, we should see some sprouting in probably 3 to 4 days, maybe a little bit longer since it's outdoors in the greenhouse, but I'm going to be watching every day. Once they do germinate, you take that plastic off so that you don't keep it too moist. Otherwise, you might get some mold on the surface of the soil, and we certainly don't want that. Now, one thing you can do is to do a succession planting. So in 2 or 3 weeks, plant some more seeds so that your kitty will have a fresh batch of catgrass to nibble on. Now, one thing that I've noticed is I have a container outside where I have some grass that my cat likes to eat, and then I notice shortly after that he hurls it up, and I'm wondering, what is going on with that? Well, some veterinarians and animal experts have the thought that this is, in the wild, animals and cats would be eating mice and small rodents, and some of those little guys have indigestible parts. And eating the grass will trigger that vomit mechanism to help expel those undigestible parts. Perhaps that's it. I'm not sure. If that's a problem, I think I would talk with your vet and figure out what to do. And also beware of those toxic plants that you might have in your home or even in your yard that your cat might be tempted to nibble on, or even your dog. Check that out because we want to make sure our gardens and our home environments are safe for our kitties and our pups. Well, there's always more to learn in the garden. Bye-bye.